All right, today I have the Apple AirPod Pro 2. This is the second version of the AirPod Pro AirPods, and I'm going to be opening them up. Right here you can see it comes with an easy opening peel right here, which I'm going to be doing. As you can see right here, it says Apple AirPod Pro second generation, with MagSafe Charging Case, and it comes with the new USB-C plug at the bottom as opposed to the lightning cable. This is due to the European Union pressure to get Apple to switch to a universal plug, which is USB-C. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Take this and pull this back right here. Now the cool thing about Apple and with what they do is they make opening their packages very simple. Just pull back the sticker. Now I'm going to go ahead and place this down. And right here is the AirPod Pro 2, second version of it. And at the top there is instructions, which I'll read later, on the toilet. And the instructions are fairly clear. It shows how to set up, where you just go ahead and take that, open it up. It says press and hold. It says press and hold to connect to other device. Now with the AirPod Pro 2, the second version, not only does it come with USB-C plug, it also comes with 4 sets of ear pads. You see it's extra small, small, medium, and large, which you attach to the AirPod Pro itself right here, and I'll show you that when I open it up. Now another cool feature with the AirPod Pro 2 second version is that it is capable of being charged with the MagSafe charger. Both the larger one and the one that is actually made for the Apple Watch. On the back, other cool features that come with the second version of the Apple AirPod 2 is the controls. You can control the volume on this latest version right here. It shows right here to play. Tap it once on the outside. To go forward, I believe you tap it once to mute. Oh, so 2 taps goes forward. 1 tap plays or pauses or answers the phone. 2 taps, you're going like this, it goes forward. 3 taps, it goes backwards. 2 taps ends a call. 1 tap can mute it, or microphone, I believe. 1 tap also answers the phone. Now, right here it shows that to turn the volume up and down, you just go up and down on this right here. It says press and hold right here to switch between listening modes. They have different listening modes. You press and hold, like it's showing you in the picture right here, in order to switch listening modes. Noise control, it has noise control. That's one of the listening modes. It has spatial audio. Shows right here. Maybe I can get closer so you can see this better. It says spatial audio. And it has conversational awareness mode. All 3 of these modes are built into the Apple AirPod Pro 2 to give you a greater listening experience based on your environment. So with all that said, we're going to go ahead and close this up, and we're going to go ahead and get to the Apple AirPod itself. So this is Apple AirPod. Dump it out. This is the case. It comes in. Here is this right here. This right here is just the holder. Nice cardboard box that Apple has provided. And this is the USB-C charging cable. You plug this in to an outlet appropriate for the Apple AirPod case. So this right here, it is not the plastic, it is fabric woven, very bendable. Right here are the different sets. I'm going to pull this right here, pull it back, and here are the different sets of adapters for going into your ear to give you a nice, comfortable fit that is secure, that will block out noise, as well as be comfortable and help the AirPod Pro to stay inside of your ear. And with that said, we're going to move along and we're going to get to the Apple AirPod case itself. So here it is right here. It says Apple Inc., One Apple Park, Cupertino, Colorado, or California, 95014. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This way and that way. And pull it out. And inside is the Apple AirPod case, and here are the Apple AirPod Pro 2. This is the right one that goes in the right ear. Of course, the right one wouldn't go in the wrong ear or the left ear. All right. So here is the Apple AirPod Pro 2. This is the right one, not the wrong one. And right here, I have the Apple AirPod Pro 2 for the left ear. Get in closer so you can see this a little bit better. All right, so here they are. They simply go in and out of the case, fairly simple. Just like that. Close it up. Now, I'm not going to do this video on how to pair it or parakeet. There is something right here for string. I wonder if something is missing. Let's go over really quickly. Thought there would be some sort of string on here to latch into that, but apparently I'm wrong. On the back, there's a button to press when you're ready to sync it with your device. So here are the earbud tips that come off and come on. So right here we have large, small, and extra small, so this must be in the medium. Now what happens is when you want to get the correct one on, you get the one that fits well in your ear, just simply take this and it pulls off. And then you grab one that fits or a different one that you think might fit, and you just take it right here and press it on and snap it into place. And just like that. All right. So here is the Apple AirPods Pro 2 case with the Apple AirPods Pro 2 earbuds. Just let me know that they were popped back in. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and close this and conclude this unboxing and demonstration of the Apple AirPod Pro 2 version 2 earbuds. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.